In this video, you'll find a new collection of fresh ideas for your boldest DIY projects. Our practical craft hacks will help you accomplish your creative projects quickly and easily. We'll start with a whipped cream-shaped soap dispenser. We need a glass jar with a screw top and plenty of hot melt glue sticks. Make this hot glue ornament. Start with the bottom. Let it cool. Apply the next row a bit higher. Let each row dry. The melting glue looks like whipped cream. Let's prepare a top. Take a dispenser pump. Mark the top center. Make a hole using a hot glue gun. This is it! Now, paint it white. Take the hot glue and twine. Press down the twine with the pump and attach to the top circle-wise. Let's color the craft. Start with yellow and continue as you wish. The multicolored soap dispenser will match any bath decor. Would you like to make something sweet? Let's make lovely decorative marshmallow pillows together. Make a spiral-shaped pillow first. Take fabric of 3 colors. We've chosen felt. Cut out strips of the same width. The pillow size depends on the strip's dimensions. You can make it bigger by increasing the strip's size. Fold the felt this way. Add a bit of hot glue to the edge and fold up. The glue cools fast, so apply it by small portions. We've prepared 3 felt tubes. Stuff them with any synthetic cushion filling. Spread it across the entire length. Make 3 of the same details. Hot glue one end. Fasten the 3 details together. Turn them over this way and spiral the rainbow tubes. Hot glue each coil. Tuck the loose ends inside. Fasten with the hot glue. Press down with your fingers to make the right shape. We've got such a bright curve. It looks like a real marshmallow. It's soft and smooth and very cozy. There's never too much sweet. We've made a bigger pillow in the same way. You can look in the video description to know how much fabric you'll need to make this pillow. Another pillow of a more classic shape is a must-have for the cotton candy lovers. Take a square light fabric bag for a base. Make sure it is turned face up. Stuff it with hollow fiber filling. Sew down. We've got a classic small square pillow. Tuck the corners inside and hot glue. We've corrected the shape in this way. Take a piece of fabric to cut out into equal strips. Make soft tubes of several colors. Fill up the details across the entire length. Wrap each tube around the base at a slight angle. Fasten them at the junction and hot glue. Attach the tube to the other side of the base. Make another coil pink. Follow the same steps. Hot glue the tubes. Make the last felt ring a bit smaller. Snip off the excess at an angle. Tuck the ends inside, securing with the hot glue. Cover the side with a blue felt piece. Put it under the last tube. Attach with the hot glue. Cover the other side with the fabric as well. It looks awesome! The cute pillow will offer a nice touch to your decor. Collect a rainbow set of sweet marshmallow pillows to make your relaxation perfect. Let's craft sweet makeup brush organizers. We'll need strips of any thick fabric. Fold them across the length and hot glue tubes. Cut out lots of small details. We've got several dozens of mini tubes. Glue a top to each tube. Cut off the excess. Stuff them with hollow fiber filling. Attach the bottom. The cylinders look like sweet marshmallows. Put them in glasses. The delicious makeup brush holders are ready. Take a small glass to make a Kawaii candy sweet Qtip holder. Wrap a felt strip around the glass. Hot glue the edge. Cut off the excess. Perfect! Cover the bottom. Take a white fabric strip. Imitate a sugar frosting. Draw a wavy edge. Hot glue the cutout to the top. Carefully attach each strip. Apply the glue across the top edge and cover with the felt. Cut off the excess. Draw a circle inside. Cut it out. The top is neat. Attach eyes and a smile. A cute Kawaii Qtip holder is ready. The lovely Frosting Candy Sweet Qtip holder will cheer you up every morning. And now, let's make a smart, delicious decoration using a plain round mirror. Take any thick fabric of vivid hues. Cut out a felt strip. Fold it up and hot glue a tube. Fill the tube with a hollow fiber stuffing across the entire length. Roll it up a bit. Make another tube of a different color. We'll need 3 details. Take a glue stick as a base. Attach it to a fabric tube. Then add another detail. And the last one. Spiral the tubes around the stick. Hot glue each coil tightly. Here it is. Decorate the mirror. Hot glue the spiral across the edge. You can use multi-purpose glue instead. If the glue is visible, cover it with small felt tufts. It looks fabulous! The soft spiral marshmallow mirror looks very cozy and sweet. It'll create a wow effect in your interior design. Do you like marshmallows? Make the candy-shaped garland to light the mirror. We've got an LED tube package. Cut out a piece of about 3 inches to make a lampshade. Tape it in a spiral. Paint it pink. Remove the tape. Make the necessary quantity. Take an LED garland. It won't heat. Pass it through the lampshades. Done! Hang the garland around the mirror. A number of cute marshmallows will decorate your bathroom and give off extra light. A chocolate bar organizer for cotton pads and Q-tips is just what you need in your bathroom. Take a plastic lunchbox. If there's a picture on it, remove it. We know a way to make it easy. Use a hairdryer. Heat the top. Wow! We're peeling it away quickly and easily. Paint the box in a dark chocolate color. Let it dry wide open. Paint the inside. We'll make the chocolate bar from air drying clay. We've made it in the Candy Style School Supplies video. Knead the clay in your hands. Roll it up flat. Place the box top down and press over. We've got the top imprinted. Cut it out with a craft knife. Place the clay bar on the box top. Make it checked. Split it into 3 parts across the short side. Press with the ruler edge to make a notch. Separate the long side into 4 parts. Press it over with the ruler. Hot glue the bar. Make it chocolate-like. Paint it dark brown. Put any small stuff you need in this tempting chocolate box. And finally, we'll show a simple way to turn ordinary glass containers into stylish vases. You can use glasses, cylinders, or jars. Spirally attach decorative or masking tape. We'll need several details. It looks nice. Apply the white glue using a wide brush. Glitter the glass. Shake off the excess. Glitter the bottom as well. When dry, remove the tape carefully. You can store your little things in this sparkling container, or you can make a candle holder instead. There are wider glowing spirals reaching the top on the tall vase. We've used the same method, but the vases look different. They will perfectly match the rest of the decoration. You can choose any glitter tint to match your interior design. Hit the like button if you want to see other decorating projects. Subscribe to the Troom channel and share with your friends. We've got more than 400 videos for any taste.